So today is a quarter bag unboxing. There is not much more to say to that, just only please guys stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Today is a quarter bag unboxing. I'm gonna start with unboxing. I'm gonna unbox the bag and then I'm gonna say the reasoning why I requested this specific bag, etc, etc. So let's not beat around the bushes. Once again, if you don't follow my channel, this bag I got at Paris appointment. I had my appointment on January the 13th, came to Canada, and this is still staying in my closet. And the reason for that, because it was a gift for my Valentine's Day, and clearly I was communicated with my husband about the purchase of this handbag, and we agree on it. If it's gonna come to it that I'm gonna get offered the bag. So this is pretty much my Valentine Day or Valentine gift unboxing. Okay, so we have a Pochette. Okay. Oh my goodness. There you go guys. So here is my Valentine's Day gift. It's Birkin25 in box leather, color Rouge H with palladium plated hardware. So let me unbuckle everything and show you a little bit closer. Oh, it's the box leather. It's a little bit stiffer. Oh, I totally forgot to say that it's a Salier style, but I'm gonna bring a little bit closer to the camera so you can see that it's Salier style. So it means the stitches are going outside and you can see the glazing. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty, and it's with palladium plated hardware. So let me just open up everything. Oh my goodness. So I will tell you the story why I requested this handbag. And you know, I was actually keep asking my local boutique for this color for several years, and I've been told that Rouge H is not being produced for several years already, and the only way you can get Rouge H is through custom order, and even through custom order it's not guaranteed. Let me just take this box out so that I can put the bag and we can have a better view at the bag. So let me put clochette, and there is still some plasticky things. So, and here is the clochette, clearly in palladium plated hardware. So let me just put the clochette on the bag. Oh, I actually have to unbuckle. Oh gee, maybe I shouldn't, to be honest. Okay, let me just do this speed up process. So I put the clochette and the lock on it, and you can see how gorgeous is this color. It's pretty much true to color, because often people saying that the Rouge H may have a little bit of brown. It's absolutely not true. Rouge H doesn't have brown. It's combination of pure red and the black, and that's how you get this clearly like pure wine color. Absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, I have also an organizer from Zumoni. I have a code also from Zumoni, guys, and they usually send you with the beautiful thank you card. I hope it's focusing. And that's how the organizer looks like. I choose in icy pink color, and let me put inside and see how it looks. And I choose the lighter color because, you know, when the handbags are dark, it's nicer to have a lighter color insert so that you can see inside much better. So absolutely gorgeous. So let me tell you the process of my thoughts, why I decided to request this specific handbag. Because when I came to my appointment and she asked me what I want, I just simply replied, I want a Rouge H. And say, it's maybe somehow the stars aligned or something happened, because I keep asking for Rouge H for many years right now. But the last time I think Rouge H in the general production, I think it's either in 95 or something 2000. So I believe it wasn't in production for 20 plus more years. If I'm wrong, please correct me, but I believe it's been long time since the Rouge H was in public production, let's put it this way, except for the, you know, special orders. And it turns out that this year, 2023, they're coming back with the Rouge H color. And on top of everything, turns out that this year also, once again, they're coming with the box leather. And I remember before I was also asking my essays that I want to have box leather. And she says, once again, the box leather is not in production for very long time, except for the special orders, and it's also not guaranteed. Your best bet, you may gonna get a Cadillac leather. Cadillac leather is not as shiny, because the box leather is absolutely gorgeous shiny, has this kind of shiny quality. Cadillac is more flat and matte finish, but I definitely want to have a box leather. On top of everything is the heritage leather. It's one of the first leathers that was in production. In fact, the oldest leather is obviously saddle leather, that for the production of the saddles, box leather, ostrich leather, Borenia leathers. That's one of the oldest leathers that the Hermes produce. So I definitely want to have box leather in my collection. Sometimes people are concerned that it may scratch, but please don't be concerned, because the box leather is one of those leathers that can be repaired very easily. And if you look at any vintage handbags, they're all in box leather. And if the structure is not lost, they can, you know, repolish and make the handbag looking pretty much brand new. So you're asking me why I wanted the Rouge H color. So first and most, I truly believe that this color looks good on me. In fact, I'm wearing right now Rouge H lipstick. Where's my lipstick? Right here. And I remember it was a long time ago, I was asking my essays that I want a Rouge H, and she goes like, why don't you settle for lipstick for now? So clearly I have a lipstick. You can see I put some kind of burgundy-ish color shirt today. But in fact, apart from, you know, the lipstick, I have burgundy color, and it's a Chanel belt. It's reversible, and see how it's looking really nice together. I have, in fact, several Twillys. You can see the kind of burgundy Twilly. This is also Rouge H, and I believe it's Rouge H, Rouge Vive, and Etude. color. So you can see I already have plenty of twillies that can go on this gorgeous handbag. On top of everything, I already have several pairs of shoes that can, just gonna straighten up, I have several pair of shoes that can go already with this handbag. So I have my Chanel shoes, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and see how beautiful they can go together. It's once again Chanel, and this is in fact Chanel burgundy color. So you can see how Rouge H is pretty much Chanel burgundy color. And this is a Valentina sandals that I purchased also several years ago. So you can see that I really love this color. And this is Valentina sandals. Clearly it's also perfect color for summer, and it's also in burgundy, and see how perfect it's looking together. So I have already plenty of shoes, accessories, belts, etc that can go with this handbag. I even want to show you, if let's say hypothetically I want to put a twilly, and this is twilly, sorry, not the twilly, the rodeo. And this is Pegasus, in fact. It's from my latest unboxing. And say if I want to put it even in a pink color for summer. See how beautiful it looks. And then I can put simply pink twilly. And this is absolutely gorgeous summer handbag. So that's my new handbag. Clearly I'm gonna do further more videos of styling this handbag with different you know, outfits. In fact, I already purchased gorgeous t-shirts that I can use it in summertime with this handbag. Absolutely gorgeous. So as I said, the stars are aligned for me, that this year they produce Rouge H color. They produce it in box leather, and it was my first ever visit to Paris and my first ever leather appointment at Paris, and I got exactly the handbag that I wanted for many years. And if you watch my channel, it's been already many years. I keep saying that I want to have a Rouge H or some kind of burgundy color handbag in my collection, because I believe it's truly a very versatile handbag. You can wear it in clearly winter, fall, spring, summer. Maybe some people will say that burgundy color is not really a summery color for them, and I could understand that. It's not everybody's cup of tea. Some people say you're not supposed to wear black handbags in summer either, but many of us still do. But to me, it's all seasons. And I really love that it's with palladium plated hardware, because burgundy color also could look a little bit too mature, and especially with the gold hardware. But when it's a palladium hardware, it's kind of a little bit more, I would say, modern, a little bit more funky, and that's exactly what I want. So once again, I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer to the camera so that you can admire this gorgeous beauty. As I said, it's 25 Solier Rouge H box leather with palladium plated hardware. In fact, I want to show you guys, because quite often people saying that, you know, Kelly 28 is big, and I have my Kelly 28, and here is the baby Birkin or Birkin 25. And in fact, I was looking at this bag organizer, and I was comparing to my bag organizer for Kelly 28, and when I look at the size, it's pretty much almost the same. So this is bag organizer for Kelly 28, and I just want to literally in front of you guys trying to put inside and see. Yeah, it's a little bit snug, but you can see. So this is Kelly 28 organizer inside Birkin 25. So that will give you an idea of the size of the Birkin. It's clearly a little bit shorter compared to Kelly 28. So what I'm trying to say, unless if you really don't like Kelly 28, in fact I really do, because just the other day I was using, and literally if I would have any smaller handbags, my gloves or my scarf couldn't fit in, but with this handbag it's absolutely perfect. So let me just actually close it up, so just to give you better understanding of the size, because when it's open it's hard to understand. So that's exactly, and you can see that even Birkin 25 looks like a little bit wider compared to Kelly. Kelly just a bit taller, and clearly the handles are taller as well. So here is my new beauty. I'm so excited. I'm really beyond, you know, excitement. Oh, actually I should insert at the very beginning of the video, happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's, guys. I totally forgot to mention. My deepest apologies. As I said, I'm so, you know, under the spell. So this is my new beauty. Please comment below, what do you think of this color? What do you think of this handbag? What do you think of my choices? Yay or nay? Please, all your comments are welcome. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. The next one, I actually have also another unboxing of another handbag, which is not a quarter bag. And then most likely I'm gonna talk about my appointment in details. I already talked about my outfit. I'm gonna link that video, but then I want to talk about my actual appointment, because I think it's too long of the video. I want to talk how many times I applied, the whole, you know, conversations that I had with the SA during that appointment, etc, etc. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.